Power BI ships with several AI visuals that surface insights humans would miss. They're easy to add and instantly elevate a report from descriptive to diagnostic. The key influencers visual analyzes what drives a chosen metric. Drop a measure, example churn, into analyze, and a set of features, age, plan, region, and tenure into explain. Power BI runs a model and tells you in plain language, when plan is basic, the likelihood of churn increases by 1.7x. It also has a top segments tab that finds combinations of features, customers under 30 on the basic plan in the North region, with abnormal outcomes. Pick a measure to analyze and several dimensions to explain by. The tree starts with the total and lets users click to break it down level by level, choosing automatically which dimension explains the biggest variance, the AI split lightbulb icon. Excellent for executives who want to ask, why is revenue down? And drill until they find out. Lets users ask in plain English, sales by region last year, and Power BI generates the visual. Improve accuracy by adding synonyms to columns, revenue equals sales equals amount, teaching it linguistic phrasings in the Q&A setup, featuring example questions on the visual. Insert Smart Narrative generates an auto-written text summary of the data on a page, updating when filters change. Sales increased 12% in Q2, driven by the North region. For any line chart with a date axis, Analytics pane, Find Anomalies, highlights unusual data points and explains likely contributing factors. Key influencers, why is a metric high or low? Decomposition Tree, guided drill down. Q&A, exploration for analysts. Smart Narrative, executive summary text. Anomalies, spotting issues in time series. Analyze sales drivers using AI visuals. Add a key influencers visual. Analyze total sales, explained by region, product category, customer segment. Read the insights, which factor pushes sales up the most. Add a decomposition tree, analyze total sales, explained by same fields, click the light bulb to let AI pick the highest impact split. Add a smart narrative and watch the auto-generated text update as you change a slicer.